How to fix comments failed to post on Facebook. Hi everybody, if you're having that issue, you can follow the steps in order to resolve it. So for that, first thing is making sure you have updated the app to the latest version. If you have not, you can go ahead to the Play Store directly if you're on Android and head over the search bar and search for Facebook and go ahead and update your app if it is not updated. Another thing is you can go ahead and clear the cache. So long press on the Facebook application, go to the info section, open up this menu, and from here head over to storage. And from storage, go ahead and clear the cache, which may be the reason. After that is done, go ahead and check your internet connection as well. See if you have a proper internet connection or not, because sometimes unstable network can also cause that issue of your comment not being posted. So that is it for now. You can follow the steps if you are having the comments fail to post on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.